Susan Castriota. Today I'm going to share one of my quick and delish recipes. I like the convenience of using a microwave. They aren't just for reheating food. You can steam, cook, and even bake food in the microwave. So come and join me in my studio kitchen for Quick and Delish by Susan. Now today I'm going to do a bacon cheesy dip. And let me tell you, it's cheesy and it's got lots of bacon in it. So I like to do bacon in the microwave because if you do it on the stove, it's messy, you get grease all over the place. But if you do it in the microwave and you cover it with a glass cover, you're going to contain all that grease right on the plate. So we're going to start with this recipe with 8 slices of bacon. And I use thin slices of bacon in this recipe because we want it nice and crispy. So you can break it up and actually add it into the cheesy part of the dip. Now I'm going to put my glass vented cover and cook on top of this plate, and I also put a paper towel underneath to soak up some of that extra grease because there is a lot of grease in bacon. So I'm going to put it in the microwave on high, between 4 and 5 minutes, really depending on your microwave. So today I'm going to do 5 minutes in the microwave so it can be nice and crispy. So here we go into the microwave. And let's start. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. The bacon has cooked in the microwave. The place smells amazing like bacon. And I let it cool off a little bit, and I just broke it up into little pieces, which is going to go into the recipe. So for the bacon cheesy dip, I'm going to start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Right there. Then we're going to do, let's see, this would be a cup of Parmesan cheese, grated. Then we're going to do 3/4 to 1 cup of mayonnaise. Right now I'm using the 3/4 because, you know, you can still get the taste of the mayonnaise when you do the lesser serving. Just stir this up for a little bit here, get this going. And I like to use in my microwave, since this is going to be cooked or heated in the microwave, I like to use my large 2-quart glass mixing bowl, which is right here. It's my go-to microwave large mixing bowl. Okay, so now look at that. Got that nice and creamy. We're going to add 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese, and I cubed it. The reason I use Velveeta is because in the microwave it just softens better and it's creamier. But if you don't have Velveeta, you can always use just a shredded cheddar cheese. All right, get that in there. Okay, and just stir this up a little bit. There you go. Got lots of cheese going on here, people. Amazing. Okay, now I'm going to add, this is about 3 to 4 green onions chopped. Gives it a really nice flavor. All right, now we're going to put the bacon in. But before you do the bacon and the onion, you want to just put a little bit aside, because this is just going to be sprinkled on the top of your finished dip. So I have a little bit of bacon, a little bit of greens right there. Okay, stir this up. Put in all this wonderful bacon. And by the way, when I took the bacon out, you know, the paper towel kind of soaked up the grease. So we're not adding that grease to the dip because the mayonnaise is going to, you know, it's enough grease oil in there. You don't need any extra. Okay, so here we are. We're ready to microwave, just like this, right there. And I always cover food in my microwave with my Cucina Safe lid, which is the glass vented lid that I invented. I'm going to put this on top. I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes on high. Then I'm going to take it out, stir it, put it back into the microwave for another 2 minutes on high. And then I'm just going to let it sit in the microwave just for a little bit so it's not too hot when I bring it out, and then it cooks just a little bit more. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and the dip has been heating and cooking in the microwave for 4 minutes now, and it's unbelievable. Ooh, and it's hot, so always make sure you have some kind of an oven mitt there. Oh my gosh, look at this. Can you see that? Ah, look how wonderful that looks. Oh, that Velveeta cheese and all the cheese have melted into the bacon. That's amazing. And then what you're going to do, get better, put that down there. This is when you can pour it into a nice bowl. You can add chips. So you've got your nice dip if you want to take it to a neighbor's home or if you're having people over. This is a great dip. People are going to go absolutely crazy over it. Now that's the finished product. Now what I do with the dip, I always have a little bit left over and I put it in the refrigerator. So I love a baked potato like so many people do. I like to take a baked potato, cook it in the microwave, and then add the dip on the potato and then sprinkle a little bacon and onion on top of that. It makes a nice side dish or, you know, like a quick lunch if you want that, because it's all about quick and delish. So what I do for microwaving baked potatoes is I've got some smaller, they're restaurant-sized potatoes, they're russet. I clean them and they're dry, and then I pierce them or slice them with the knife so they don't explode in the microwave. And then I cover with my covering cook. And this is going to go into the microwave on high for 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, if they're not cooked, you just put them back for a little bit more until they are. But this is an easy and quick way to do baked potatoes instead of being in an oven for an hour. Now, this is what we'll do with the baked potato. This one is already finished. So we're going to take a little bit of this dip, maybe a little bit more. I guess a dollop, I guess that's what you call it. Oh my gosh, right on the baked potato. Take a little bit of the bacon. Oh wow, and a little bit of onion, and there. You've got a nice side dish, or it's a meal, maybe for lunch or just a quick meal. There you go. You've got a baked potato, you've got cheesy bacon dip, and you're off and running with a quick and delish recipe. Thanks for joining me today. You can download this recipe and others on my website, cucinasafe.com, and I'll see you the next time. Thanks. Bacon time. Now sit.